Hi, my name is Josephine from Absentify, and in this video I show you how you can add users to your Absentify workspace based on your individual settings. So far we created the allowances, the leave types, the departments and the public holiday. Now we go to settings and navigate to users. In my case you see already a list of users I added in my workspace, and below you see two options. Either you invite a new user or you import via bulk upload in an Excel file. There's actually a third option, which is add users via the Microsoft Entra ID group sync. In this video, we will only focus on those two options here. Click on invite new user, add the email, the first name, the last name, the display name, the department, the public holiday, and the employee start date. This is optional. And in my case, you see several allowances because I'm on the paid plan. If you are on the free plan, just signed up for Absentify, you will have the vacation allowance that is already in the system, like in your workspace created. And you can manually adjust the numbers here on user level. Now I added Matt to my user list and I see this little icon, which means that Matt is still inactive. He only will receive an invite to my workspace after I activated him. To activate a new user, click on the user and click on Activate. In this case, before I do it, I first want to edit Matt's user's profile, which I will show you in the next video. But now I will continue with the second option, import users via bulk. So here you can download an Excel sheet. Can fill the Excel, and the Excel is predefined with columns. You may want to fill those columns. Not all columns are mandatory. For example, not the employee start date. But we recommend to fill out as much as possible, to have it already in the file uploaded and then in each user's profile, so you don't have to manually edit later in Absentify. Then simply click upload the Excel file, and your users will be created here in your workspace and also appear as Matt does in inactive mode.